Today I have for you the Lux shower head. Let me do a quick install for you, give you some pointers, and show you how great this thing works. Everything I need to install the shower head is right in this box, so let's get it installed. So you're going to see here, we apply plumber's tape to all the male parts. So that goes on the threading, and what that does is that helps prevent any leakage when you get the whole unit installed. And then you'll see that top arm there, that is fully adjustable. That is great. So you can raise it, lower it for what your needs are. But yeah, everything again is getting the plumber's tape. Then I'm going to get the handheld applied. You need some around the tubing there. And then that little arm that holds the handheld, if you find that the handheld won't fit into that, you just got to turn it around. I had it the wrong direction. So it's just a quick, easy turn and in it went. Here we are getting the last pieces connected and we are ready to test. Now I already have the water turned on to the unit, but I just want to point out a couple things to you here. So this lever here controls the main shower head. And then this smaller one here controls the smaller handheld shower head. And you can use one or both. So let's go ahead. We'll turn the main big one on first. You've got this beautiful, just rainfall that comes down. Lovely. We'll go ahead and turn that off. And then I'm going to show you with the handheld. Take that out. I'm going to go ahead and turn this. And right here, you've got the plane or the handheld. Now to show you, you can turn both on. Decreases the water pressure slightly when you have both on, but really, really great pressure when you just have one on at a time. So whether you just have the handheld or just the top. This was a super easy install. Everything went together really nicely. I really appreciated the fact that they included the plumber's tape. So overall, a really great unit. I took a shower today. Works great. Highly recommend it.